Hi, I'm Joyce Danielson for Expert Village. This is 100% cotton, so it's going to go up. Okay, this shirt's 100% cotton, and so I'm just going to adjust the heat for that. Takes a little higher heat for 100% cotton. Let that heat up a minute. Now I usually start the shirt over the shoulder. Press this area first. I say press because I usually put the iron on there and hold it for a second. And then we're going to move down here and start ironing. And sometimes this top area is a little tricky because that top collar button doesn't always want to cooperate with the iron. So just take your time with it. Press it smoothly. Just move on down the shirt to the next one. And you can also add some steam in this, since it is 100% cotton.